How to download OpenAI on mobile. Let's get right into the video. Open your App Store. Then go to the search bar and search for OpenAI. Tap on Get. Then scan your finger or enter your password or use your Face ID. Wait till the app gets downloaded to your phone. Once it is downloaded, tap on Open. And that is how you'll be able to download OpenAI on mobile. Since the OpenAI does not have a standalone application that you can download, however, you can download ChatGPT, which is a type of language processing model developed by OpenAI. That is how you can easily download OpenAI on mobile devices. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching till the end.